Welcome to this video on the Hall effect, a fundamental concept bridging semiconductor theory and measurement. The Hall effect describes the phenomenon where an electric field develops in a direction mutually perpendicular to simultaneously applied electric and magnetic fields. In a semiconductor, charge carriers drift uniformly when an electric field is applied across the material. However, applying a perpendicular magnetic field interrupts this uniform drift of charge carriers. This magnetic field exerts a lateral magnetic force, diverting the charge carriers toward the material's edge. To restore a steady-state flow, a transverse electric field, known as the Hall field, builds up to balance the magnetic force. The establishment of this Hall field creates a measurable potential difference across the width of the material, which is the Hall voltage. The Hall field is proportional to the product of current density and magnetic flux density. This relationship defines the Hall coefficient, R_H, which calculates the exact internal carrier concentration. Crucially, the polarity of the measured Hall voltage reveals the semiconductor type. Electrons, with a negative charge, produce a negative Hall voltage and Hall coefficient. Measuring the sign of the Hall voltage is the definitive technique for determining if an unknown sample is an N-type or P-type semiconductor. The Hall effect serves as a critical bridge, connecting abstract device theory, like band structure and carrier dynamics, with practical real-world measurements. The foundational properties of carrier drift and current are mobility, conductivity, and resistance. To understand these properties fully, Hall metrics must be combined with standard electrical resistivity measurements. Once resistivity and the Hall coefficient are measured, mobility is easily calculated as the ratio between the two parameters. Ultimately, the Hall effect provides engineers with the experimental means to verify theoretical semiconductor models, including scattering limits and resistance models. This concludes our video on the Hall effect, illustrating its journey from a physical phenomenon to a verified diagnostic tool for carrier properties and mobility calculation.